It's a work day.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in.
Oh my god, I just hit my camera. Alright guys, well, we're back working on the Durango today, and my trailer, the truck bed trailer that I made, has a 7-pin connector, like RV style or larger trailers, typically ones that have electric brakes on them. And I didn't put that on there with the intention of putting brakes on there, but there are some accessories you can run through a 7-pin connector. Someday I have the plan of making that into like an overland trailer, to where having an extra battery or two, or water pumps, or whatever, having that extra power connection to the vehicle comes in handy, because obviously, you know, you can run some accessories while the vehicle's going, but also you can charge batteries, etc., off the vehicle. But anyway, long story short, I used to have an adapter that went from that 7-pin to the 4-pin on my wife's Durango. I have no idea what happened to it. I generally try to use the 7 pins on everything. The trucks I sold and or got rid of had them, but even though I don't think one of the wires is working, the farm truck has one. So anyway, I want to stick with the 7-pin just to kind of keep things even. So that brings me back to having to try to, you know, do the wiring nightmare on this thing. And I got to thinking about it, and I was like, well, it has a functioning 4-pin already. And I know that works because one of the trailers we used to have was a 4-pin. Lights worked perfectly. So I got to digging around on the internet because I knew there had to be something out there. And one of my favorite companies, Nylite, makes a 7-pin that you don't have to worry about that wiring, because it's got a 4-pin connector. So we just put this on the truck, connect that to the 4-pin. The other wires are there for future expansion, except for the ground. You know, they always like that to be connected. But I think I already have the ground connected in on the truck side. We'll look at that. But either way, $20, I think it was. I'll put the price up here on the screen, and then I'll put the link in the description. But really reasonable price, and I'm hoping these holes line up with the 7-pin holes that are in the receiver hitch. But we're going to go find the appropriate wrench or socket for these, and we'll get into it. All right, here we are at the infamous 4-prong connector. And I don't think that's going to be a very good angle for you guys. So let's try. How about that? Yeah, that's a good angle. All right. I don't think there's, well, yeah, maybe there was a 7-prong on here at one time, or 7-pin blade, whatever. Just a skosh off.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink,
that battery don't though.
Going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place.
Guess I can't complain about that. The super complex wiring. Truck connector. Oof, da. She's tight. There we go. And pretty much just zip tie all that out of the way. Just a quick look at my little hodgepodgery here. Just a couple zip ties, get up out of the way. And I ran the ground to that guy there. All right, now that the hard part's done, let's go test it out. There's stuff in the way. Dang it. We don't have to hook up, we just have to be close. That's probably close enough. Okay, we are plugged in. Well, looks like we got running lights. License plate, both sides. Okay, good. Whoa, what happened here? Craziness. Okay. Left turn signal working. Right turn signal, I can see it's working. Most important, brake lights. Yep. Sweet. Well, there you have it, folks. Sorry about the wind. Well, there you have it. That's all I've got for you today. So take it easy. As always, take care. I love you. Bye.
How to stop when I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. No, no.